FESPA Barcelona, and it's lovely to see a familiar face from the UK. Hi, Kirsty, how are you doing?
Good, really good, yeah.
Nice to see you here. Day one at FESPA. It's not somewhere you've been before, is it? Why are you here this year?
First year exhibiting for us, so primarily because we are now in Lille. So we've opened up a French hub, as well as our Spanish and our Czech Republic, so we can now ship further than we've ever been able to. So this felt like the right place to come. Okay,
so this is part of your general growth plan, growth strategy across Europe.
Yeah.
And going well.
Going well so far.
Yeah, good stuff. So what are you showing here at FESPA?
So as always, everything you see on the stand is our product.
Yep.
New to us, we've got our Lumiedge and our folding light boxes. So this is very much what we're pushing in terms of our, at the minute.
Yep.
Everything else is sort of our best sellers. So you've got your roller banners, bamboo banners, cases, counters, cafe barriers, etc. So for us, the primary focus is Lightbox, but also because we're new to Europe, we want to show our best sellers as well. Okay, so all your products are available all across Europe. So are there some that are more popular than others? Yeah, definitely. Cases tend to be quite popular in Europe. These sort of things. Yeah, these sorts of things. Lightbox is very much picking up, but the traditional stuff like roller banners and tube walls are still really good bestsellers for us here, but we're pushing Lightboxes a little bit harder. Okay, so what's your specific aim here, though? Is it just profile? It's profile, yeah. We don't expect sort of big orders or anything. It's definitely just to show we're here. We now have a hub that we can source from, and yeah, we're here in the environment.
And I know it's only day one, but how's it going so far?
Brilliant so far. We've had a real flurry this morning, and yeah, we've been kind of a steady flow so far.
Good stuff.
The feet aren't too sore just yet.
No, you're right. You've got some smart trainers.
Well, they've got to be comfy for the knees.
Well, look, it's just lovely to see a company, British company, coming out there, doing well across Europe.
We're really trying.
Good luck with the rest of the show. I'll probably come and see you before it finishes. See how you got on.